have been established here. Find all products under $200 manufactured in Japan. Now, this is a typical SQL question. Write an SQL command to establish all products less than $200 manufactured in Japan. Return their names and prices, which means if they say return their names and prices, they are telling you are going to use a select query. Okay, they are going to use the instruction select to come up with this summary. Find all products under, that is below or less than $200 manufactured in Japan. Return their product name and prices. So all you know is the general form. Select from where. So it's advisable that you write the general form first. Select from where. And then fill up under each of these parts of the SQL instructions. So select, these are the attributes to be displayed. They say return their names, prices. So P name, price. And as you list the attributes here, keep track. Where do they derive? P name comes from product. Yes. The home or the relational home of this attribute is product. So if you write the attribute here, write the relation from which it derives as well. So P name, from where? Where does P name come from? From product. So write product. Price. Where does price come from? Where does price come from? It still comes from product. So it says find all products under $200 under $200 manufactured in Japan. Japan, what is Japan? Japan is a country, isn't it? Country, where does country derive? It derives from company. So the selection involves both tables. It touches on product. Why? Because they say find all products. You see, product is this, but manufactured in Japan. Japan is a country, and the country attribute belongs to company. So company will feature. Company will feature. Okay. So price will be listed here because they say retain their names, prices. So P name from product. Price is still from product, but what touches on company, it is the country, the issue of the country, Japan. Okay. Now you have to establish the joint between the two, which we did in the previous section. So the joint is a manufacturer coincides with a company name. So all those that have been underlined, it means they are the primary keys. So manufacturer equals CNAME. So manufacturer equals CNAME. This is the joint. It's very key that you establish the joint here. That is the first condition. The first and default condition is the joint itself. And then keep to these block capital letters because it is part of the programming. If you don't use uppercase, then the programming will be wrong and your query is not going to execute. And then the other condition is that they should be manufactured in Japan. All products less than this. So price less, I don't know why they will put equal. It's supposed to be strictly less, under. You see, I don't agree with this equal sign, students. You also pour out your thoughts. What do you think? It says find all products under, which means less than $200. There is no connotation that they should be less than or equal to. I think this equal sign is a mistake. Just keep the less than. So the conditions are two. They should be under, that is the price, all products under, price less than 200, of which the table is touched upon because the price is right there. And then manufactured in Japan, you see, country. Now it touches on the second table. A country equal Japan. So if it's a string, you put it under single quotes. If it's a numeric value, you don't put the single quotes. It's very important. You should stick to the semantics and syntax of the coding, because this is coding. So hope you understand it. So this is the join between product and company, and then those are the conditions. So they are showing you the nature of the join: manufacturer, Gizmoworks, because the manufacturer Gizmoworks, the site, the company name, you see. So all these two here, they coincide with that. Canon, Hitachi. You see the relation between, or the connection between, manufacturer and company name. That is how it is. Select product name, price, which means you are going to display P name and price from product and company, from the two, where manufacturer equals C name and country equals Japan. This is the joint. Don't mind this, is the joint. Country equals Japan and price is less than 100. So this is it's less than 200 US dollars. Yes, so that is, they are showing you the output. Okay. So yes, the output shall be singly touched. Remember, you're only displaying the P name, so P name singly touch, and the price, where this thing is less than 200. So less than 200, and it should belong to Japan. Less than 200, this one qualifies, this one qualifies, this one qualifies. But what disqualifies them is the country condition, you see. Only the ones belonging to Japan, yes, you see. So singly touch 149, singly touch 149 US dollars, because it's less than 200, and singly touch it belongs to Japan. Look at the connection between the two, the connecting attributes. Canon. See, Canon belongs to Japan. Okay. Yes. 149. Yes. 149 singly touch. 149 singly touch. Yes, belongs to Japan. What eliminates the others? For instance, what eliminates Gizmo? Gizmo. Gizmo goes with the manufacturer's Gizmoworks. So Gizmoworks is side. It belongs to USA, not Japan. This one is still less than 200, but its name is Power Gizmo. Check Power Gizmo for Gizmoworks still belongs to USA, you see. This one singly touch 149, which fits this condition. You see, singly touch, and its manufacturer is Canon. Check Canon this side. It belongs to Japan. What qualifies this multi-touch? It is the price now. So only singly touch 149 belonging to Japan. Yeah, singly touch 149. Yes, what disqualifies this? Because Gizmoworks belongs to SA, in as much as the price qualifies. Even here, the price qualifies, but Gizmoworks, they all belong to SA. So this is the correct output. Make sure you follow this. Make sure you understand these, students. Joins, continued, products. Yes, these are the table schema. Find all countries that manufacture some products in the gadgets category. Find all countries. What are you finding? So in your select query, you say select. What are you finding? You say find out the attributes involved. Find all countries. Country. So country, where does it belong? Write its home, relational home here quickly. So country, company. So put company here. Find all countries that manufacture. See, manufacturer is now product. You see, so product is also involved. Product is also involved. So list all the tables that get touched by the question. List all of them opposite the from part of the selection instruction. Okay. Some product. Find all countries that manufacture some product in the gadgets category. See, gadgets. Find all countries. So on the only attribute we are listing is country. It's a country. From, but both tables are touched upon. So with the joint underway, the joint. The two connecting attributes is manufacturer and company name, name. So say manufacturer equals name. Then add the other condition. The first condition is always the joint, and then exhaust all the other conditions, later on after establishing the joint. So manufacturer product in the gadget category. So category equals gadgets. Remember to put single quotes because it's a string. It's a string. Okay. So that's it. Yes, yes, yes. Country, country, country. Category, category, category should be gadgets. So you are listing only the countries. Gadgets, gadgets. Gizmo works. So it's USA, USA. It's going to be USA, USA here. The output. It's going to be USA, USA. Okay. Joins, product. Yes. These are the different table schemata, and then the questions here. Find names of all people. Names. First name, you see, you've written, okay, you can include distinct to eliminate duplicates. Yes. If the question, especially if the question is specifying that duplicates are not needed, but otherwise the distinct is optional. So find names, person name. Person name belongs to her, person. So person, list person here. Okay? Immediately before you forget. Find names of people living in Siakli. 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 Is this the name of a country? No. This is the name of a city. This one is the name of a city. City belongs to person. Person is already there. It's fine. That bought some product. Product. You'll buy it from the product table. So put product table down here immediately. Product table, as you can see it. From some product in the category. Category, yeah, still belongs here. So product category and the names of the stores. Names of the stores. Store. We see store here. Purchase. So put purchase. So we've got all three tables involved now: person, purchase, product, and we'll have to establish some joints amongst all three. Okay. Yes, but some product in the gadgets category and names of the stores they bought such products from. Names of the stores they bought such products from. So write an SQL instruction to execute this. So select distinct person name store. You see, find names of people. You want a person name here. Names of people living in Siakli that